Hey YouTube fans, this is Janet with Love and the Bling Designs. I know I haven't had a video lately, because of my voice. I had the flu last week, and the week before that, I think it's lasted quite a while. So that's why I haven't had any videos. I really had no voice last week. So if you haven't got the flu shot, go get it. But this video is about my review on a specific, kind of a new to the market embroidery thread called Candle Thread USA. I went ahead and got on their website and ordered their, kind of like a menu of their handle thread. And I really like how it came out. It arrived like this. It has the actual threads on the menu. So I really, really like this because I like seeing the actual threads. I like actually feeling them, seeing them, putting them against a certain fabric to make sure I've got the right color. So I really like this. If you don't have it yet, you should go get it. I think I bought it. I don't remember if I got it for free for signing up or I did actually order it. I think it was $10. Don't quote me on that, but definitely get one of these. I think you should get one of these before you order. That way you know exactly what color you want or need for all your, fabrics you might have in stock. So this was definitely handy to look at this before I went and made my order. If I compare this to Madeira's, Madeira, the one I got from Madeira, which they might have a different one, but the one I have does not have actual color, thread. All it is actual picture. That's it. There's no thread. Without further ado, I want to show you my order. The one thing about Candle Thread is their shipping is rather high. To me, that shipping is kind of high. You do want to order at least $100 or more to get free shipping. That's going to really benefit you on your order. So, let's see what I got. I ordered mostly specifically for thread that I know I use a lot and that I had orders coming in for specific colors that I did not have. So, here we go. I did already open some of these because I needed them for orders. So this first one is, I'm going to call it a burgundy. The one thing about this candle thread, it has the shine, it has the shimmer. It's durable. I've already used them several times already on my brother's 6 needle. Has had no problems with this thread. The base is thicker. I'm going to say the base is wider and thicker than, say, threadart.com's larger spools, and Madeira's spools, I believe, these are a little wider and thicker on the base. The good thing about that is it's dirty on the machine. The bad thing about that is if you've got a large spool holder, like a wooden spool holder you put on the wall, typically you should be able to put 2 spools together and they don't, there's plenty of room, they don't hit. With this just slightly wider base, one of the spools is not going to sit flush. So that's the only bad thing about it. With my little wooden spool holder I have on my wall for large spools, I'm not able to put 2 of them side by side. Well, I can, but it's just going to lift up a little bit. Not a big deal, but that's what I've noticed about these spools. But the thread themselves are beautiful. I love it. And you can definitely tell the difference on my work when I'm not using like Madeira or this candle thread. You can tell the difference. But anyway, this is burgundy. I'm going to call it burgundy. It's a dark cranberry. And the number on this candle thread number is 8220. 8220. So if you need burgundy, a deep burgundy, this is a good thread. The next one I ordered is number 6030, and this is a red. It's not I think it's a good true red. If you're looking for a true red, this is a good true red, and it's 6030 with candle thread. And these threads were on sale. Let me tell you this, these threads were on sale at the time. The sale is now off, but the threads were just a little over $4 each. And look how big these spools are. They're big. Now the spools are about a little over $6 each, but it's still less than Madeira for this size of spool. So this is a hot pink. Let me try to see if I can get this focused. It's not a light. There we go. There's a good color right there. It's a bright pink. And it is 8609. 8609 is this color for candle thread. It's a really hot pink to me. Really good bright pink. 8189. And to me, it's a light orange. Kind of, yeah, it's a good middle of the road orange. The one thing I need to talk to them about that is I see this stain on it and it worries me that it goes all the way through. So I need to talk to them about that and get this spool replaced because of the stain. I didn't notice it until after I opened it. So we'll see what happens with the return policy, and I may have to update. I'll put a comment underneath this video regarding how they handle this stain, just so if you all want to know. This one is 6042. This is a yellow. It's a bright, to me, it's a light yellow. I'm not using it for gold. I thought I would, but I'm not. And it is a 6042. This one is a really good, which I've already used it several times. It's a really good deep orange. I'm going to say auburn. And it is 8116. 8116. It's a deep auburn. Deep orange. I like this color. Really good. It turned out great for my project. This one is a true royal blue. And this number is 6116. This one is a nicer orange. It's not light orange, but it's not deep orange. It's like the middle orange. And it is 6043. Let's see if I get a better color. There we go. 6043. Now, when I got the box, it came in, it was one box, but it came with a bunch of these boxes. 3 spools in a box. So these that I'm going to show you, I have not opened yet. This is, I'm going to say this is mint. And it is number 8295. 8295. It's a beautiful mint color. This one is purple. It's a deep purple. And it's a number, I think it's a 6. 6022. I think 6022. My order form is right here. Let me see. Excuse me, 8022, and it's called Blue Diamond Violet. So to me, it's like a deep purple. Okay, this to me could pass for gold, a light gold. And this is 8938. We'll see. It's not orange for sure. It's yellow, but it's almost like a butterscotch. I would say butterscotch color. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you're going to have a lot of these empty boxes. And a little bubble. Chinese red. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I compare it to, but that's what that is. Let me open this up. And that's the thing about these too is they're wrapped up in really hard plastic. Kind of a hard plastic. I mean, you're able to get into them, but it just takes some time. Let's see this out. All right, so this is pretty good. There we go. Okay, I took the wrapping off. It's a really pretty deep red. see if I can focus. There we go. And that was 8144 Chinese red. That's what they call it. Okay, this one is regular old black. I mean, there's no need to tell you what that is. 8,000, number 8,000. Regular old black. Whoops. Things fell on the floor. Okay. Oh well. We're still rolling. And I'm going to open this. Ow. Ow. Caution. These plastic things are hard. Be careful when you open up your... Dangerous. Ow. Oh, this is a beautiful red. Beautiful red. Definitely needed for Christmas. Again, this is number 7637. And it is called... Cabernet red. Very pretty red. Next, it's another box. Okay, I did get a lot of pinks because I was looking for a specific pink. So I bought 3 pinks, 3 different pinks. Most of them look almost the same. That's okay. This one is 6228. 6228. A very pretty pink. It's called Aurora Pink. Aurora Pink. So 6228 Aurora Pink. I like this pink. Very pretty. So this one's a little lighter pink. It is number 7921. I'm going to use a pen. Okay. 7921. The number's also on the bottom here and on your label at the top. This one is Fairy Tale Pink. So it's a lighter pink. It's a really pretty pink though. So you can tell the difference. Definitely tell the difference. One's darker than the other. So now on this one, I don't know if you can tell the difference. On the Fairy Tale Pink. This one's 6813. And I'm going to open this one up so you can tell the difference between Fairy Tale Pink. And this one's called Lilac Sachet. Okay, so this one is called Lilac Sachet 6813. Okay, and then we're going to put this next to 7921, which is Fairy Tale Pink. See, there's, I mean, it's really close. Very close. There's just a slight difference. This one's just a little darker. The Fairy Tale is just slightly darker than the Lilac Sachet. So, really close. Another box. Almost done here, guys. But if it was me, I'm glad that I saw some of these videos that were comparing the candle threads online, because I really wanted to see them. You know, I mean, I love the menu. Don't get me wrong, the menu that they provide in is awesome. I love how it has actual thread samples to feel and touch and stuff. But if I'm going to spend $100 I want to make sure I get the right colors I need. So this one is called, this one's 8213. And it is tangerine orange. See, and I was trying to find some oranges too. So this is tangerine orange. Definitely tangerine color. I mean, perfect tangerine color. Definitely a good good orange for sure. And that was 8213. Never have too much thread, you know what I'm saying? Nugget Gold. This is a really good gold. I think this is perfect gold, honestly. It's a little light, just a touch lighter than my normal gold I use. But I think this is a perfect gold. And this is 6074 Nugget Gold. 2 more boxes, guys. The good thing, the one thing I do say, they package very well because they've got, each box holds 3 spools, 3 large spools, and they put the boxes in the big box with a bunch of bubble wrap. So very packaged, very well packaged, and they have that hard plastic around each spool. So this one is 7971, and it is called Lemon. Definitely a lemon color. Perfect for lemon if you're trying to find a lemon color. Just focus. Okay. 7971. This is 8001, of course. White. Bright white. And this last one is red. In the red family. And this is a really beautiful Christmas red. This is 6199. And it is called Fire Brick Red. Definitely going to use that this weekend. I have a bunch of things that's going to be in red. And this is a beautiful red. It's the Blue Diamond. And I'm going to call it purple. They call it Blue Diamond. But it's definitely a deep purple. Just wanted to show you. Look how beautiful that color is. I love it. And then I want to show you the 8296. The mint. I'm going to call it mint. It's called Chinook Green. I don't think I'm saying that right. That's what they call it. It's Chinook Green. 8296. Isn't that beautiful? Mint. I'm going to call it mint. A deep mint. So I got 6, 9. I got 21 spools, which I think that's all of them. Yeah. I got 21 spools for the low price of $104.50 plus tax. So that was when they had their sale. And their sale at the time was $4.75 a spool. $4.75 for this big spool. Awesome. Now the prices have gone up to, I think, like a little over $6. But you should check them out. Yes. And definitely check them out. If anything, get their menu. Their menu is awesome. That way you can look at it before you make your purchase. And your best bet is buying at least $100 worth. And so that's what I'm going to do from now on. I'm just going to wait till I need my thread, like desperately need thread, and then just order from them. I think that's what I'll do. Because, like I said, these were beautiful. When I did some embroidery with my projects this weekend, and I compared it to Madeira, Thread Art, and Brother Thread. And, yeah. Madeira is beautiful thread. Don't get me wrong. And it goes through the machine beautifully. These do too. They're just as good as Madeira. Let me just say that. They're just as good as Madeira. Brother Thread, Thread Art, anything theirs, they're okay. They're great for your like single needle, P700. But any multi-needle industrial machine, I don't think they're good for those machines at all. They don't fill the stitches well. And I can tell I have to change my tension when I use my Brother Thread or Thread Art thread. But they're still good. They're just not as good as Candle Thread and Madeira. The look of Madeira and Candle Thread are, yeah, definitely top notch. So check it out. CandleThreadUSA.com. And I'm telling you, we won't go wrong. Thanks for watching. I'll put everything down in the notes in the comments and also throughout the video of each number of thread spool and the name of them so you can see which ones you like and get them. Bye.